Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn how you can download your class recording of Microsoft Teams through portal.office.com. So let's get started. Please open your browser, and once you are on your browser, write down portal.office.com. Once you are there, you have to go to Stream. It launches the Microsoft Streams.com. All right, so this is the official page of Microsoft Stream.com. Once you are there, you can click on my content. In my content, you please go to videos. It is going to show you the list of videos which have been recorded by you on Microsoft Teams. So please look here. These are the videos which I have recorded so far. Now let's say I have this video. I recorded this video on 29/5/2020, and towards the right hand side it is going to show me the options. If you want, you can add to your watch list. You can add it to your group or channel. You can even edit it if you click on this pencil. The last three dots are really important. If you want to share it, you can click on share. In my case, I particularly want to download this video into my laptop so that I can use it somewhere. So I am going to click on download. It is going to get downloaded on my laptop. Please look here at the bottom. It is asking me, what do you want to do with demo meetings.mp4 from this we content.api softstream.com. So I want to save it. So click on save. You have to also click on save only. Don't click on open. Now once it is saved, the downloads. Yeah, you can see here, this is the demo meeting 10.mp4. It has been downloaded here. If you want, you can simply open it up. And once you open, the file will start playing itself. Okay, so that's it. Okay, fine. So this is a very simple way to record your session and even download that on your laptop. You can, after downloading it, you can simply take it to any of the editor and edit your video to make a full-fledged video of your choice. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching.